Hello and welcome to this particular section of the site marked MOT or MOT testing. So this particular video is designed to give you a little bit of an understanding of what's involved in the MOT test and how it came about. Well, the MOT test was introduced in 1960 by the then Minister of Transport, a chap called Ernest Marples. Now he decided that following the end of the Second World War there were far too many old rickety vehicles running around, so he introduced what was known as then called the 10-year test. And it was designed at vehicles over 10 years old and tested them for basic things like headlights, brakes and steering. Well, since that time, fortunately, the MOT test has evolved, and in 1967 the test came down to 3 years, or before that actually in 1963 it was reduced to 7 years, and then in 1967 there's a 3-year window. So all vehicles now that are 3 years and older need a test at least once a year once they reach 3 years old. Okay, so the MOT test takes about an hour. And in the modern MOT testing format, a lot more things are included. For example, we test now for emissions. In 1992, that was introduced. Emissions, steering, brakes, lights, the vehicle structure and corrosion, and all the safety-related matters. Now, the thing to remember with an MOT test is it's a minimum observational test. And like people, some say the glass is half empty, and others will say that the glass is half full. In fact, they're both right. So one testing station may pass an item, another might fail, and vice versa, which causes a bit of frustration with the consumer, because you can take it to one place, it'll pass, and you can take it to another and it may fail. Now, if that happens and you're not happy with the results of the MOT test, then you do have the right to invoke the grievance process, but must remember not to change anything with the car. So that doesn't happen that often, unfortunately, but it does cause confusion with the consumer when there's a matter of interpretation. So half empty, half full, sadly, they're both right. So an MOT test with us, we can arrange a collection and delivery for that. The test takes around about an hour, and we do operate generally a clean car on return policy. Or if you're in a hurry and, for example, you've forgotten to tax your car and need to test quickly, we can operate an express MOT. So using the contact form at the top of the site, you can visit us there and or you can call us on our free phone number, which is 0333 121 4447. So hopefully that's helped, and we'll see you at the site soon. All the best.